Now we are moving into low-rise buildings. Low-rise buildings are generally found in suburban and rural settings and can go up to 4 stories. You will see a variety of construction systems at this scale, from log construction to timber frame, stud or balloon frame, and post and beam. Even though it's not as common, there are also examples of panel and solid timber construction, and even space modules. When it comes to low-rise timber buildings, construction speed and transport logistics are tailored to the project's needs. For smaller sites, manual woodworking is often done on-site, providing flexibility and customization. On the other hand, larger projects might opt for prefabrication. Timber panels are crafted off-site and lifted into place with a crane, offering speed and precision. Switching gears to mid-rise. These buildings can reach heights of up to 12 stories and are common in both suburban and urban contexts. Here, construction systems typically include post and beam, panel, and even modular space structures. Dry assembly is an interesting facet of mid-rise timber buildings. Unlike in low-rise structures, where manual labor and on-site adjustments are often the norm, mid-rise leans more heavily into off-site prefabrication. This methodology allows for greater quality control and speedier construction times. Concrete foundations and plinths remain the wet elements in the assembly process. But beyond that, most other components come together like a well-oiled machine without the need for wet trades. This not only speeds up construction, but also reduces on-site waste. Mid-rise structures need complex elements like elevators, multiple stairwells, and dedicated utility shafts. These features, essential for the functioning and safety of a mid-rise building, require careful integration into the timber construction framework. In the realm of fire safety, mid-rise timber buildings usually require a more comprehensive approach. Unlike low-rise buildings, where fast evacuation might suffice, mid-rise structures often incorporate layers of safety measures. This can include the use of fire-retardant materials and the covering of timber elements with non-combustible materials such as drywall or plaster. These methods serve to compartmentalize fire, delaying its spread and allowing more time for evacuation. Soundproofing is a crucial aspect of construction that grows in complexity as we move from low-rise to mid-rise structures. While low-rise structures might suffice with basic separation of walls and floors and cavity insulation, mid-rise buildings have more layers to consider. This is due in part to the increased population density and diverse use cases these buildings have to accommodate, such as commercial spaces on lower floors and residential units above. In a nutshell, both low-rise and mid-rise timber buildings bring a host of benefits, but they differ significantly in context, construction methods, and considerations such as fire safety and soundproofing.